that mean them can't stop ya. Youth, unstoppable, run away train.
Wagwan again, unstoppable family. So people, a girl that she name Tashina, and her artist name is Tashina Music with a Z and a K. Yeah, and when me say the girl bad. Vocals on point. Everything about the girl's song it bad. The song name Best Touch Ever. The clean version name Best Touch Ever. And for me say the clean version name Best Touch Ever, then you're supposed to know what the song really name. And people should drop a collab with the world boss, vybz KARTEL, Panda One here. And if I hear me say KARTEL or endorser, then you're supposed to know that she really worth taking a listen to, right? As a matter of fact, take a listen to KARTEL part, right here so.
Any position that's on me roll. In a ice cream cone.
This song have a buzz, no? And the kind of music where you can listen to when you and your significant other locked down, you don't know some candlelight and you just a chill out and you can just listen to that song they are bouncing in the background while yeah. Or even the kind of song where you can just a drive and go down the road and it a bouncing in the background and you go down memory lane. And that kind of music they mean you can listen to it anyway. But anyway people, me not gonna stay on this too long. We're gonna make you hear a little bit more of Tashina song. You see Best Touch Ever later on in the video. But for now, let's get to the whole scamming thing and the whole death threat thing to KARTEL. So people, somebody link me and them say unstoppable, why you check out that video here. Because them a try use the world boss name for scam people. And not only video, somebody else link me and send me a screenshot conversation of how them a try use up KARTEL and Shorty name for scam people. Now this is a message where somebody send me. Me soon make you take a listen to the video and watch it. Listen this. What's up, my G? It's me, KARTEL. Link me up. I have some music business I want to get done with you about my upcoming album. I will be doing 10 single dub plates for you. However, I would love for you to send me 10,000 US today. The funds is for my promotional packages and marketing strategies for my album. I am having some difficulties right now at the moment with my bank in Jamaica, so I can't receive any funds until next month. I am relying on you, my brother. I will let my baby mother, Shorty, send you back the money the 10th of September. You will have to send 10K to she, so she could collect it from me to her bank account. I have sent her details already, just waiting on you to respond here so I can let she link you. So once you reply, I will send your number to her to call you. Don't call my number, just text only, cause sometimes I have to hide the phone in the prison for security reasons. So I will be waiting patiently on your reply. Fully Gaza. If you never read something on the internet yet and you feel like you lose couple brain cells after you read it, Jano, as some feel after I read a message there. Because people don't know how to write with full stop, comma and apostrophe. And even though me that try to read it the way how me know it should have been written, me still mess up because me that read so fast. People, me lose couple brain cells reading that message there. But people, wanna see how them scam your chest? 10,000 US dollar. Them a try scam Smaddy out using KARTEL name. And people, the conversation went on. It didn't stop just there. Me just decided to show you that part there. But people, it went on and on and on. Them even send a bunch of account numbers to the man who sent the link to me and say, unstoppable, read this. You see me and say, wanna see where I go on and them a use other name. So people, if you only want to do business with vybz KARTEL or Sharp Boss Music, be very careful. Cause they scammer them out. Now, this one when me about for me gonna take a listen and watch people. This girl here I try to use Shorty name now to try and scam a DJ, right? And when the DJ expose her and say, hey, you're a thief, you know, you're a criminal, you know. The girl say, yo, she a go tell the people them or link them in the prison, say for poison addy. Listen this. Now before I play the video, out of respect to my loyal viewers here who don't like curse words, me just give you a heads up. There are a bit of curse words in this next video that is about to come up, alright? And me leave it in there just so that you get the full understanding of how the video and the conversation actually went down, alright? So be warned, a few curse words coming up. Take a listen.
Hello?
Hello, good morning.
Yes.
Working.
Yes.
I'm actually with DJ Lily.
Yes, this is him.
I was told to call you on behalf of my little father, Ali Japara.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he sent me your number from yesterday, but I could not reach out to you until now.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was saying to me you have some stuff to send to him on his behalf.
I reached out to Adija Palmer myself, and he told me not to send a shit because you're a scammer. And I sent him all your information. So when you have time, they be looking for you, baby. They gonna find your ugly motherfucking ass. And remember, you're fucking with the world boss. All your fucking information, your address and everything. Just know that. Business don't work like how you think. Stop fucking scamming people, bro.
Do I look like I care?
Don't fucking scam people, bitch.
People, the girl says she cares zero about nothing. Do I look like I care? I care zero. Meaning she not care if them know where she lives. She not care if them can find her. She not care about nothing. And people, this next part right here so is where it got intense. Because she say, listen to me, tell vybz Kartel this message for me. Listen to the message where she sent to Adi.
Listen to what I'm saying to you. Listen what I'm saying to you. Go tell vybz Kartel that I'm going to let the people them in the prison prize him. Because I have a link with people in the prison around him. Go tell him that me said...
Don't worry yourself, bitch.
Listen. Go tell vybz Kartel that me said... I'm going to boy them around him, poison the inmate boy them. Remember I tell you that to tell him. So go tell that idiot bitch that, because I got his number that he used in the cell.
I know.
Every time
I know what you got, bitch.
Send me his number.
I know what you got. You don't think I know what you got?
Every time
they're gonna find you. They're gonna fucking find you.
They know who I am already.
Okay.
They know who I am already. It's nothing hiding. I care zero.
Okay.
All I care about, my belly's fulling and I'm scamming you all. My belly's fulling and I'm scamming you all.
You can't fucking scam me and I realize you hide that.
You're for lucky. You're for lucky you have sense.
What?
You never have sense, man. I scam you.
Scam
Suck
what?
your mother pussy.
Suck your mother back again.
Now once again, sorry for the curse words, my viewers, because I know some of you don't really like it. But you know hear what the girl say? All she care about is that her belly are full. And my boy lucky say him have sense or else him would have get scam. Now you can just imagine how much people them scam based on how she sound, you know. That sound like a whole heap of people fall for the trick, you know, people. You're lucky say you have sense or else you would have get scam. People, you see where I go on? And as a matter of fact, even from the screenshot conversation where the next person sent me, there was a party night where the man tell the person, say, here what, send me a voice note. Make me sure say this a cartel. And the person respond and say, me can't send no voice note right now because the water them, they close by. You understand? When you see how them a try use the artist name to rob people out of their money, Jah no star. People, this rough out there. So as me say once again, if you are looking to do business with vybz Kartel or Short Boss Music, just be careful and make sure that you are dealing with them, the actual people. Alright? Now, make we jump back and take a dead and listen to Best Touch Ever. Best Touch Ever. Yo, me not even gonna try sing it, car. You know what? Just listen.
It hurts but it feels good. Now stop playing for you real good. Playing with my neck, but my body tingle.
Now all of my ladies them we know say them not like when time man play with them like a egg. You know we know what Tashina talk about right there. So when she say it hurts but it feels good, you don't know what she talk about no. Yeah. Now you know me should have asked Tashina who write them lyrics here. Is it Adi or a she? Cause the lyrics them bad. You see in the song overall bad as a matter of fact. You know what, I'm not even gonna get into that. People, if you want to listen to the full song, click the link down in the description. Go over and listen to the song. Listen it all 10 times if you want. But one thing me want you do for me personally is comment in the comment section and say, Unstoppable TV sent me here. I would appreciate that. Alright, do that for me. Now people, me I do a little give back. Nothing big, but me I do a little give back. It's a little thing where me I go start up in my video them. Me I do a $10 credit giveaway to your phone. So if you're there in Jamaica, you probably would appreciate this. Though, $10 free credit, and it is easy for you win it. Here how you win it now. In this video, at some point, something changed. I'm not going to tell you which part of the video. It can be from the beginning, or it can be at the end, or it can be in the middle. But something changed at some point in this video. Be the first person to comment down in the comment section what changed, and you will win $10 credit to your phone. And even if you're not in the States or wherever, you still can participate and probably have the credit sent to your family and friends at Jamaica. No, yeah, we just do it for the fun. Watch on, man. Start commenting right now if you feel like you know what it is that changed in this video at some point. Zine, this has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable, and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable.